diesel.
Going duck hunting.
Morning, fellers.
Good morning, boys. All right, day 2 of our road trip. Got sleep last night. I think we probably got like 13 hours of sleep last night. So we're feeling a lot better. Feeling a lot better hopes. Gonna have 10 to 15 mile an hour winds today. And it is overcast. We don't see fog yet, but where we're going is about an hour south. So we're hoping it's not foggy down there too, because it's a lot of river bottom area. So we're gonna go scout, take our binoculars, go look. We're not getting set up right at shoot time because we're not familiar with the area. We don't want to put the efforts in going out there and being completely wrong. So we want to see birds moving first, and if we see where they're crossing or where they're dumping in, we're ready to go. We're gonna go in, set up, start hunting. Rocky's ready, the boys are ready. Let's go.
And that's this. So that's all this you can hunt.
We found birds! And I totally redeemed myself. We're gonna shoot birds, boys. Yeah. I can do this all day long. Yes, very tight. Let's keep them by the bank and over here a little bit, so they don't short stop us. Got him. Dead bird. Dead bird. Dead bird. Hey, dead bird. Back. Over! Over! He sees him. There he goes.
Good thing that water's shallow.
I know.
That thing's so shallow.
Oh!
He hit the deep spot. That's kind of scary if a bird keeps diving. There you get him.
Good boy! First mallard in!
What just happened, boys?
Good. First mallard. Hey,
Good boy! Here. Good boy. Hold, hold, hold. Come on. Oh, that's a pretty bird.
That's a beautiful.
Here. Good boy.
I don't have a finish.
Good boy. First bird of the trip, boys.
Your first out of state bird.
Boom.
Nice shot.
First bird I ever shot out of state. Get him!
Oh my
Rocky.
word! I think we need to move down to the left a little bit.
No, dude, just sit.
I missed him.
That's only the second bird. There's no way you got him.
I missed him, dude.
You missed all 3. Who else shot?
I did.
I didn't shoot.
Oh, Colton Town got him then.
I was backing up.
You shot 3 shots and then never.
I shot once.
Uh-oh. Get him, boy.
Birds up front.
Good boy.
I feel like I crushed him when I shot.
Someone like I missed him flat out, dude. I know I missed birds out front.
I'm saying Talon got him all.
Don't go back to the pressure.
I
think that's yours, Tal.
No one stood up either.
He was sitting flat, and I'm like,
He didn't. I kept waiting for him to go higher. He
Good
was
boy.
sat there, dude.
Good boy. Good boy. Here.
It was like he went up and just sat right there.
Good boy.
all right,
Good
Thomas,
dog.
it's
Here.
your turn.
Good dog. Here we go, boys. Number 2. That was Talon.
I don't
know. All right, guys. Things are looking up. 2 mallards down. Yes. 2 Drake mallards down. Right. One was really close in the decoys. He was like probably 25 yards maybe. And took a few shots on that one. But that's okay. We got the jitters, man. We're so pumped up that we've been scouting pretty hard, and we found these raft of birds out here, and we kind of jumped them off. and now they're trickling back in. So we're super pumped and stoked. And I think we got the jitters out. We're gonna start nailing them now. I didn't shoot. I did.
Travis, whose turn is it?
Dude, you said it. No, here. You guys said if there's a bunch
Just kidding.
I don't know if I got that on video.
Travis got the hand shoveler.
I didn't shoot that one. Oh, I hit that one.
I hit it.
I never fired. I wasn't
Yeah.
aiming at that one.
Good boy, Rocky.
I think we hit one.
And I wasn't videoing. I didn't have a GoPro on here.
I hope I got that.
Were you videoing?
I pushed the record button.
Hey, there's still a bunch
Here
up
you go.
over there. I was shooting.
He's coming to take my camera.
We have a new nickname for
I'm the
Travis.
last one to shoot. So.
Loose cannon.
But hold on, both you guys look like twins.
LC. Those birds are lifting up.
This is fun hunting right here.
Yeah, it is. So easy.
It's easy.
And it's cool because you can just,
Open water.
if we had seats, it'd be even
You know
better.
what's stupid? Open water miles are coming into Decoy on open water.
Yeah.
Stupid.
Right here.
Nice shot, Trav. Travis. It's like right here. Yeah. I hope I got that.
This is an open hole. It's open hole.
No. No, you shot the Drake.
Oh, do you have a finisher?
I do.
She's pretty.
She
She's
looks
pretty.
pretty dead.
Yeah, I mean she's pretty though. She's a really pretty.
Yeah.
Here. Leave. I already did it. He did. Good shot though. I should have got him on the first one.
Hey! Come over here. We got good shots. Come over here.
That wind picked up to what you think? High 20s?
Yeah.
We get these birds moving around out here. Out front. See one.
Oh, you're saying go up there behind the tree?
Like right here. Yeah.
Sit. I had to have seen that one. Get him, Rocky! Good boy! Yes! Woo! Boom, baby! Here! We'll find it. Good boy! Oh, finally! Right? Does anybody else think? Leave. Good boy! Dude, I just stepped out. Yeah! Alright, now I'm good to sit again. Woo! He got clocked. And I totally redeemed myself. Yes. Alright. I blew 2 opportunities. One with a mallard and then one with a shoveler. So, but I finally got my mallard right overhead. Probably. How far do you think that was, Travis? That one right here? 35, 30. So crushed him. Sit. Check the footage. You always want to check because it was between me or Thomas. So We got 7 birds down, and we just randomly found the spot. We haven't been finding birds, so we're pretty stoked. And we think if we're out here in the morning or one of these spots, we're gonna do really good. So we're doing awesome. Rocky's made 7 great retrieves. Rocky's made 7 great retrieves, so we're gonna keep going, guys. We got like an hour and a half left to shoot time. Hey, he's coming, he's coming. He's coming, get ready. Take him. No way, sit. Oh, sit, sit. Good shot. Dead bird. Back. Over. Hey, first come right at. Come on, buddy. That's got a nice head. Good boy. Look at that pin on that, son. Dude, it's got a pin, son. Look at that pin, dude. Look at that pin right there. Dead bird. Dead bird. Back. Back, Tucker. There you go. Good boy. Here. Fetch it up. Good boy. Here. Here. Oh, is it a young drake? Here. 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 Leave. Dead bird. Dead bird. Dead bird. Back. Over. Over. Boy, Rocky. Good boy. What is that, dude? Something over there. Huh? I'm gonna set my phone down over there. Oh, so it's here. What do I shoot, dude? Huh?
I love Washington. Mallards, bro.
That bomb, look at him.
No. We gotta take a picture. Those are good. What'd you get, Tom?
I got the Johnny and mac and cheese and the jalapeno popper.
That's good. Yeah. Look at that, son.
Pulled pork, sausage. Oh my goodness. Alright guys, we're wrapping it up, back in the truck. Awesome night. We just got done having some epic barbecue. The winner of picking food is Talon for this hunt. He's 2 for 2. He's batting 2 for 2. We just had an incredible barbecue, as you've seen in the video. Great hunt. I mean, it's not like we shot 5 limits, but I mean, we had a blast.
Yeah, hurricane winds coming
Literally.
towards us, which might have messed us up, but we still got some birds.
Going from our scout to where we're scouting to seeing nothing, literally nothing, to like more birds than I've ever seen, literally ever seen before in one day. Like rafts and rafts, and there were a lot of mallards. That's what was crazy. It wasn't just like, yeah, pintails, not just divers. There's divers too. Seen some golden eyes, seen some redheads, seen a ton of pintail, ton of widgeon, ton of mallards. Don't forget, as I said in that last video, if you haven't watched that video, go watch the last video that we did on the channel. And for 15,000 subs, hitting that, which was a while back, about to hit 16, probably by the time you see this, we're already at 16,000. I did a $100 Rogers gift card giveaway. So go enter in that. I say in that video how to enter. It'll be lasting for a little while, so give you guys a chance to all enter in and win for that $100 gift card to Rogers Sporting Goods. Ended up with 12 birds, 4 pintail, 5 mallards, a gavel, and 2 shovelers. And Rocky did good. He had 12 retrieves today.
What did she think?
Thomas has a duck oven too. Review video coming soon. See you on the next one, boys.